Hello everyone. Alright, so today we are just off Clifton Hill. We're gonna try out this fowl ginger. They make fresh fowl, a full, and bubble teas. So they show you what there is. So spring rolls, $2.25, crispy noodles, the pho, $10.95. Yep, we read about this place. It has the highest stars for pho, so I decided let's try it out. There's outdoor and indoor seating. You will have to show your vaccination proof to sit inside. And here's our first thing we ordered. It is a crispy chicken roll.
Spring roll.
Not so much a spring roll. It's a
It's a
crispy
spring roll.
chicken roll. See,
Very
nice
greasy
and
and hot. So of course I will
crunchy.
have a bite from the greasy side. Good luck.
Good luck. Let's look inside. Oh, you see all the stuff's in it. Chicken, the vermicelli, and how is it?
As you can see, it is stuffed with chicken and little vermicelli. Super crispy. A lot of taste. I'm going to try the sauce.
Thank you. And here is the fowl. So, worth the $2.50 for a spring roll?
It's a bit pricey, $2.50, but it is packed, and the sauce is kind of like the one that we're used to from the other restaurants. Really, really good. Very nice.
Now my fowl came and it smells delicious. Oh, it's very hot too. Yeah, it smells delicious. I'm gonna taste the broth and let you know. Excuse me. Oh, thank
Strawberry?
you.
Enjoy. Thank you.
All right. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. The flavors are very rich.
What's all in there in case someone doesn't know?
It is. I got the
Raw beef.
I got the well done beef actually.
Okay. Normally you can get a raw and
Yes.
the soup will cook it.
Yeah, with some vermicelli noodles and some basil, some green onion. The broth is very rich and deep.
I can smell it from here. It smells amazing.
Very nice. It's a little on the salty side, but I like that. Some others don't. But oh, delicious.
I ordered
Strawberry.
a strawberry bubble tea, tapioca, little tapioca balls inside. Love it. I'm not sure if that's upside down. It is not. Just crack her open. You need to try the chicken spring roll. And you're trying this first. Is it in here it goes?
Yeah.
First taste for you, my darling.
Just took the camera. Try it. As soon as we got a little bit of
We
sugar,
don't like
the bees
bees.
came.
That's exactly what I wanted. Nice strawberry taste. And tons of little balls. Try it out.
Is it
Then
creamy?
try the chicken. Oh yeah, it's very good.
All right. Yeah, that's a good bubble tea.
Try this. Tell me your thoughts on it. It's so packed. It's really, really good. This is good.
Oh wow.
You see the inside of it.
Yeah, it's all meat.
It's all meat and little vermicellis.
Mmm.
It's great.
That's really good.
All right, let's get back when my food gets here.
All right, guys. So our
My pad
other
thai with chicken has
meal
arrived.
came. Yep.
And look at the presentation, it's beautiful.
Beautiful.
The owner brought it out and wanted us to actually try it on camera. But I assured him that I'm sure it would be good. So let's take a little taste. The noodles are just really good. A little bit of the sweet sauce.
What about the chicken?
Chicken. Chicken nice and tender. Nice spice on it. Very, very good.
You can mix that into the pad thai.
Little cabbages. Very, very good.
Sorry for the noise.
Nice portion. This
So,
was $11, I believe.
yep.
Nice portion. Overall, I'm very, very happy with the restaurant
Yeah.
and the quality of food. Considering we're right on Lundy's Lane and they could easily charge extra.
Listen, we're trying to find places that are not the usual chain restaurants, and so far what we have tasted has been great. I would recommend this place for sure. If you're in the area, come and try Sour Ginger.
Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and see you on Clifton Hill.
Just over there. All right, guys. Bon appetit.